It's showtime.
Hello? Is anyone here? Artie? Donkey! Hey, old man! Yeah, you! Have you seen a talking donkey around? Or a whiny teenager?
Oh, my! An ogre! Stay back!
Oh, I'm not going to hurt you. I'm looking for my friends.
Ogres have friends.
Whether they want them or not. Have you seen them?
Shrek!
Artie! Where's everyone else?
They're back at Merlin's.
Merlin? The wizard?
At your service. Here, let me magically transport you to my humble home. Ready?
Oh, that's just great. Now that's respectable.
This looks like a fine spot to build a plank. You made it back!
No thanks to you.
Just a small spell mishap, nothing more.
Now, why don't you use your wizardly powers to transport us back to far, far away?
No problem. I just need 4 magical horseshoes, one for each of you.
Do we look like horses?
Ooh, I do. No. Magical horseshoes are needed for my long-distance teleport spell. It's quite technical. I could explain.
Please don't. All right, fine. I'll find them. Oh, sure. Now the avalanche stops.
They'll not be moving this fine rock, you big green wimp.
Me mother can push harder than you, and she's only got one leg.
Ah, you may have skippered your way past the rock, but you'll be no match for the savage, heartless creatures that await you up ahead.
Well, that's all of the horseshoes. Now to find that crazy old wizard's home. This had better work. Oh my, you've been eating your spinach. You're a big boy, aren't you?
You're back! Why are you back?
You said to get horseshoes.
I did? For what?
To send us back home.
I said I'd do that.
Our heroes encountered Merlin, the greatest of wizards, and used their keen powers of persuasion to obtain his help in returning home.
How about a lift?
No, no, no.
Please?
Deeply moved, Merlin consented and carefully selected the precise magical spell for the task. Using all his legendary powers, Merlin whisked them on their way.
Oops, wrong wand. Sorry.
Ah, now that's more like it. That old crackpot actually sent us back home.
Woohoo! Boy, Shrek, I sure wouldn't have put my money on that.
And I still wouldn't, my friend. Look.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wizard. I'm so glad you dropped us off in an evil-infested forest.